Are you curious about the future of the Alien franchise? With the release of Alien Romulus in 2024, fans were left wondering if there would be a sequel. Director Fede Alvarez is being cautious about discussing the possibility of a follow-up, expressing the importance of finding the right story before diving in. Alien Romulus, directed by Fede Alvarez, was released on August 16th, 2024, and grossed $340 million worldwide, with $40 million from IMAX screens. The film received mostly favorable reviews from critics with an 80% fresh rating on Rotten Tomatoes. Alvarez has expressed optimism about the possibility of a sequel, but he is treading carefully when discussing potential plans. He and writing partner Redo Sayagues are brainstorming concepts for another installment in the Alien film series. However, Alvarez has made it clear that he is not interested in directing a sequel solely because the initial film was successful financially. He wants to ensure that the storyline is engaging and worthy of the Alien title. It seems that Disney, the owners of 20th Century Studios, are keen on extending the franchise further on the silver screen, despite the upcoming TV show Alien Earth. However, if Alvarez fails to develop an engaging storyline, the responsibility for the Alien project might be handed over to another director. Um, Alien Romulus left things open for a sequel with two characters, Rain and Andy, portrayed by Kaylee Spini and David Johnson, respectively, surviving until the end. Fans would undoubtedly be thrilled if Alvarez returned to direct a potential sequel, as his exceptional work on Alien Romulus revitalized the franchise, offering stunning visual sci-fi alongside classic horror movie chills. In conclusion, while there is no official announcement about an Alien Romulus sequel, fans can remain hopeful that Fede Alvarez and Rodo Sayagues will develop an engaging storyline that respects the Alien franchise's legacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks.